Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder sway walk. Now, I know a number of other moves that are also called a shoulder sway walk, and I know this move in some places is called a shoulder sway to shoulder sway or a shoulder sway walk and back, but this is the most common name that I know for this variation, hence why it's there in the title of the video. But forewarned is forearmed. You'll need to know how to do a shoulder sway already, be familiar with leading footwork, all of that. I can put links in the description below so you can go back and look at it if you need. But jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Obviously you can end with the fast or slow sway exit because it works for all the sways. So breaking it down, we go right to right, we go back, we wrap into the shoulder sway, pick up the spare hand, we go back with the right. That's both true for the guys and the ladies. We then walk right, left. We're bringing the left hand up, we're turning to the right as we do it, and now we all step back on the right. We head back the way we went, so we step back, so we're facing the ladies back onto the right, we keep turning to the left and step back on the left, and then we do our sway again. We did it at the beginning, sway back on the right, then it's just exit the sway as you want, send the lady out, hand change or no, return the lady and back. So let's break that down with numbers from the other side to get the other view. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway 3, walk 2 steps 4, sway 5, walk 2 steps 6, sway 7, and out 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3, or you can do a slower exit if you so wish. So here we go, let's try it. 5, 6, a shoulder sway or walk. We go a back, wrap, sway, walk, sway, walk, sway, away, switch, return, and back, or not switch as the case may be. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. I hope you find that useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everybody who does that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, music recommendation on the end, something nice for you to practice with. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.